So now we can come through. Surprised that shop stayed open as long as it did. Fake board. I think it's 3/4 inch thick. So it is, the other stuff we'll find out. We'll see. Hey, look at that. It's not 3/4 inch, it's more like 3/8. A knife blade they don't care about. Yeah, part of me is thinking about actually lag screwing that down into the concrete. So I might just fill it with epoxy. As long as it is high on the outside, that's all that matters. Okay, so we're high to high. Let's give that a try now. Just a hair more. TDI. That's pretty darn clean, I'll take it. So there's one reference edge. terribly far off. They're very, very hard to control. Actually, I might be able to pound that down in. Let's vacuum it out and find out. Okay, block. Mallet. There you go. It's up just about, so I said 7/8, right? It should be an 1/8 inch higher, which is just about what it is. Sweet, there's one. Nice. Oh, that sounds better. That sounds better. That thud right into the concrete. That's what I'm looking for, right there. One. 3 more. That just means I need to take a little bit off of this one. No patata. That's easier. Take a little bit of material off of this. I'm wondering if I want to vacuum it out. This is another one that's split. Only one of the 3 did not split. Come up. So I can get under one side, the rest of it comes up nicely. I'm gonna get all kinds of comments about, oh, I can't believe you're putting it in there like that. You should keep it solid. Okay, let's give it a test. Lets me know where I'm touching. So I'm touching in this back corner here, but not here. As long as I'm touching in one spot, that's all that matters. 1/100th of an inch. Good there. We're good there. Slide all the way along that side. Nope, not catching. So I'm catching in this back corner here, but you can't see. On all three of them, I'm catching in the inside corner in here. Here, listen to it on this one. And just tapping on this, you can see the bench wobbling a bit. As I come over here to the leg, and we go. I can actually feel it in the concrete. That's what I want. 6.375 would be about perfect. I'll figure out what I want to do in between. Okay, okay, there's my drill angle. As deep as I can go. Is it deep enough? I don't think that is into the other leg, is it? That went through. I saw it move. So then we can slide this. We got dust in there now. Yeah! Is that all the way? Yeah, that's all the way. So I need to drill it a little deeper.